the connection between general health and eye health. Discover the intricate connection between your general health and eye health. Your well-being directly influences your vision. Let's delve deeper. Our body operates as a cohesive unit where every element is interconnected. Your eyes are no exception. Understanding this connection can help in maintaining a clear and healthy vision. A nutritious diet is a cornerstone of good health. Incorporating a variety of vitamins and minerals not only nurtures your body but also has a positive impact on your eye health. Foods rich in antioxidants are particularly beneficial. Physical activity is not just good for your heart and muscles. Regular exercise can prevent eye conditions linked to obesity and high blood pressure. It promotes good circulation and can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Adequate rest is a pillar of good health. Ensuring sufficient sleep allows your eyes to recover and rejuvenate. It helps in preventing eye strain and keeps your vision sharp. Hydration is key to overall health. Drinking enough water prevents dehydration that can lead to dry eyes and irritation. Sun protection is vital for your eyes. Prolonged exposure to the sun can lead to cataracts and macular degeneration. Always wear sunglasses with UV protection to shield your eyes from harmful rays. Regular health checkups are a proactive approach to maintaining eye health. Early detection of conditions that might affect your eyes can prevent potential vision loss. Make eye exams a part of your routine health checkups.